Hello, welcome to BBTV. Today we will see who is the best, Peppa or George. Okay, let's start with the game. My name is Peppa and I am George. Okay, Peppa Pig, let's start. Okay, I take this one. Good, okay, please help me. Okay, no problem. No problem. And ready, steady, go, Peppa. Oh, that's too fast. Oh, one, I got one. Oh. Open your mouth. Oh, I got two. I got three. And the last one. Oh no. Again, oh, I got four fishes. Okay, and now try George. Okay, I try. One. Two for George. Oh, three for George. Oh no. Four for George. And four. Nobody is the winner. Oh, you are the winner. Okay. Peppa is the winner. No, George. Okay. Peppa and George is the winner. Okay. Hello. Goodbye. Please subscribe to the channel, please.